Okay, so I tried this with the karaoke music, but it just does not sound good. So I'm just going to sing this a cappella, and I really hope it doesn't sound bad. So here we go. I could go back to every laugh, but I don't want to go there anymore, and I know all the steps up to your door. I don't want to go there anymore. Talk to the wind, talk to the sky, talk to the man with the reasons why, and let me know what you find. I leave my window open, 'cause I'm too tired tonight to call your name. But just know I'm right here, hoping you'll come here with the rain. I could stand up and sing you a song, but I don't wanna have to go that far, and I've got you down. I know you by heart, and you don't even know where I start. Talk to yourself, talk to the tears, talk to the man who put you here, and don't wait for the sky to clear. I leave my window open, 'cause I'm too tired tonight to call your name. Oh, just know I'm right here hoping you'll come here with the rain. You'll come here with the rain.